In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images with Higgsfield Popcorn using a reference and a prompt. We're going to keep this simple, clear, and fast so you can follow along and get great results right away. Higgsfield Popcorn is a tool for creating AI-generated images, and it works especially well when you guide it with a reference image and a well-written prompt. Start by going to the Higgsfield website. Once you're on the homepage, move your cursor to the image section in the navigation. When you hover there, you'll see options appear. Click on Higgsfield Popcorn to open the image generator workspace. This is where everything happens. Next, upload your reference image. You can upload multiple references, but using just one clean, well-lit image works great for most projects. Choose a photo that clearly shows the subject with minimal clutter, so the model has a strong anchor for style, pose, or composition. If the subject's face or main features are important, make sure they're sharp and centered. Now enter your prompt. It's often better to prepare your prompt elsewhere so you can paste it in and avoid overthinking in the moment. In your prompt, describe the subject, desired style, mood, colors, and any important details you want to emphasize. Keep it clear and specific without being overly long. For example, mention the lighting style, the environment, or the artistic vibe you're aiming for. Your reference steers the look and the prompt steers the intent, so they should support each other. Choose how many photos you want to generate. More images give you more variety to pick from, but take a bit longer. If you're exploring, start with a few. If you already know the style you want, you can keep it tighter. Adjust the aspect ratio to match your destination. Square works well for profiles and feeds, portrait is great for posters and mobile-first visuals, and widescreen is ideal for banners or thumbnails. Framing matters, so think about how you want the subject to fit in the final composition. When everything looks good, hit Generate. The system will process your request based on the reference, prompt, image count, and aspect ratio you selected. Give it a moment to finish. Once the results appear, you're done. Review what it produced and note which settings gave you the look you like so you can repeat them next time. That's all you need to create polished, consistent images with Higgsfield Popcorn using a single reference and a focused prompt.